What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex the Barber. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a beard lineup tutorial, so let's get it. First off, I'm going to start by shaving my client's head with the 00 using the Coco Ambassador blade. As you guys can see, it's shaving it right off and it leaves it clean. And I recommend this clipper especially for people that get irritated when they use a shaver. This clipper will get it as close as a razor and will keep your clients from bumping up. And if you guys want to purchase this clipper, I will leave the website where you guys can order it right here in the description below. Now getting back to the beard lineup, first we're going to start by trimming just the wild hairs that are sticking out, and I'm going to be using the Coco clipper, bringing it down to a 0 just to crop it, going little by little, detailing the haircut so everything could be even. And I do like to cut it a little bit shorter from the top, like that the beard could look like it's flaring out the way my client likes his beard sculpted. So now going on to the next side, I'm going to be doing the same thing, just going little by little, making sure everything's even. And also make sure you guys are also picking out the hair while you guys are trimming the beard. It will help a lot, making sure everything is even. And when trimming the beard, I recommend using the half, just because the 0 could cut it a little bit too short. So now that I have evened out the sides, I'm going to be cutting the bottom, making sure everything is even, and basically giving it form from the bottom of the neck right here and making sure I'm picking out the hair so everything will be even. And also, I sometimes recommend using hairspray or spritz to spray on the beard to hold it down, but I don't on this client just because he usually straightens his beard before he comes in. Now that I trimmed the beard, I'm going to start fading in the sideburns, keeping the sideburn fade high and just blending in that line or blending in the half to the beard, trying not to cut a lot of the beard off. And when you're going with the 00, try blending in that line with the corners of the blade. And also, if the client has ear hair, make sure you guys shave it off while they're at it. They'll appreciate it. They can even tip you more, or you can either add it as a service. So the way I blend the beard, I usually freehand it with the half guard that will turn into the 1. And right here I'm just basically going over it just to make sure all the lines are off, just detailing the haircut. I put the 1 guard just in case I go in too deep, I don't create another line or cut more than I want to. And here my client just asked to line up the bottom of the mustache, so I'm going to be using just the corners of the trimmers to line up the hair that is going over the lips. Now with the trimmers, I'm going to be lining up the back of the beard, and I'm going to be keeping it as wide as possible. So as you guys can see right here, I'm going straight back behind the ear. And also try not to apply too much pressure around this area because it will irritate the skin easier than any other place. Now time to line up my client's beard. I'm going to start by stretching out the skin, having him blow a bubble so it can stretch out the skin as much as possible, and this will avoid you to cut your client's skin. And also, the more you stretch out the skin, the crispier the lines are going to be. As you guys can see right here, I go over the beard lineup a few times just to make sure everything is even and lined up correctly. And as I get to the top, I also stretch out the skin because it just helps give it that curve right here. As you guys can see, it looks crispy. After I'm done creating my line, I then go back and shave the rest of the hair that is on top right here, and I just stretch out the skin and go lightly with the razor, not applying pressure to the razor as well right here. And make sure you guys get as close as to the eye, just because there's always hair that grow there, especially my client that grows hair all the way up almost to his eyes. Now as you guys can see, this beard came out crispy. Look at this side. I'm still not done. We still got to go to the other side. I'm going to just be doing the same steps I did on the other side. So just stretching out the skin, making sure it's even. Why I asked the client to blow up his cheek is just because when I do the razor, it creates a straight line. And then right here, as you guys can see, I went up with the razor that will get a closer shave. And I just do it overhand with the razor. Tell me that beard lineup doesn't look crispy already. Alright, but we're not done yet. I usually like to go over my work. I usually comb it out again and just go over it with the shears or with the clippers, however you guys feel more comfortable. but I make sure the lines are both crispy. I look over it, and these are the details that will have your client coming back to you. And even though they're little details, but they will notice. So here you guys go. This side of the lineup looks crispy, everything well lined, cropped the way my client asked. So here you guys have a beard tutorial. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't, enter the giveaway. I will leave details right here in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.